Before this tutorial starts, I did forget to mention in the actual tutorial, you will be needing the software Python for this tutorial. So if you just search Python into Google, just click the first link, welcome to python.org, and all you're going to do is click on downloads, and you're just going to download the latest version of Python. And once it's downloaded, all you're going to have to type in is idle in your search bar, and this will pop up. And once this has popped up, you just click Control and N at the same time, and your code editor pops up here. I'm sorry I forgot to mention this in this video because I forgot that this is a tutorial and I'm not explaining this to someone who actually knows how to code. That's it. Enjoy the video. Yo, what's up guys, it's your boy XXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXXX Twitter. And what will we be doing in Twitter, you may be asking, and that is actually working out how APIs work and how you can make things like Twitter for and then anything you want to come after it. So let me show you an example of one that I have. So once I tweeted a YouTuber and I had Twitter for fainted is sad. And the way in which you do that is really simple. And the first thing you got to do is actually go into your Chrome browser and you're going to have to search developer Twitter or Twitter for developers, and it will come up with this. And once you click on it, it will ask you to sign up for Twitter developers with your Twitter account. You're going to complete that little page. It's going to be really simple, and then it's going to ask you to verify your email. You verify your email and boom, you're on this page. And you're going to go click on your name, and if you hover your mouse over your name, you'll get this little drop down menu, and you just click on apps once you've obviously registered. It may ask you to do an extra thing if it needs you to just finish it off. It will be really simple, just be questions to make sure you're not a bot. So as you can see, here is the one that I made. So let's just create a new one together. So what do you have to do to make this work, right? You may be asking. So first you add the app name, and the app name is actually what will pop up at the bottom of your tweet if you do tweet something out. So if I go quickly into this one, hopefully not showing anything bad, the name is literally Twitter for fainted is sad. So let's say we want this to be Twitter for, I don't know, for Fortnite gamers. If we go Twitter for Fortnite and gamers, why not? Like, I don't like Fortnite, the game's a bit mad, but you know, it's just whatever. And then the next one, you're just gonna have to do the application description, so what you're gonna do with it. And then for the URL, you may as well just write google.com. They really don't check it, and you can do it for every single one, and trust me, they won't check this. And then here you write whatever you want, so I just wrote my name. There we go. Let me just copy this a bunch of times. I recommend that if you're doing this, you should probably do it like seriously, because I believe they do check this every now and then. But obviously I'm going to delete this one because I don't really need it. And once we click create, you're just going to skip past that and click create. And now that we have this, you're going to go on to keys and tokens. But before we do anything with this, I'm going to shut that down, and we're actually going to go into here and type in CMD. And once you get your CMD open, all you have to do is write CMD. You're gonna get this pop. You're gonna have this pop up, and what you're gonna do is say pip install Tweepy, and then you're just gonna click enter. For me, it's not gonna do it because I already have it installed on my computer. But what it will do is just show you a download screen, and it'll go down, and it'll say install to Tweepy. If you get any errors, then there might be a problem with your pip, and I'll check online whether your version of Python comes with pip, because I know that version 3.7, the one that I'm on, does come with pip, so I don't require to download it again. So what we'll be doing now is actually typing in the Python code before we even mess around with the developer page on Chrome. So the first thing you're going to do is write import Tweepy. So you're literally just going to write import space and then Tweepy. That'll tell the Python scripts that you're loading the Twitter API scripts, so that you can mess around with their functions that Twitter have made themselves. So here you're going to write auth equals Tweepy .o auth handler, and then open and close brackets, and then speech marks, and just leave this empty for now because I'll show you what you're gonna have to do in there, and then comma, and then you're gonna have to do another one. Now you enter space, and then you do auth again, and then dot set underscore access underscore token, and then open and close in brackets again, and you do the same thing where you do two empty speech marks, because we're going to fill those in, like I said, in a second. Now you write API equals tweepy dot, in capitals, API, and then auth. And I'm just going to mention this again, wherever I do put capitals, as you can see here, do please add the capitals, because Python, if you're not a Python developer and you're just watching this just to make a meme, you do need to add the capitals to make this work. Now you're going to click enter, and now this is where you write your tweet. So you're going to write tweet equals, and then your speech marks, and inside this you write whatever tweet you want. So I'm just going to write this. This is a tweet from Python. Now we're going to click enter, and this is going to be the last line of code you're going to have to write, and it's API.update underscore status, and then open and close in brackets, status equals, and then tweet. And that's all you have to do, and that will literally tweet to your Twitter account once you fill in these details. So what details do we need? So let me pull up the Chrome browser here. And first thing, you're going to have your API and your API secret key. Please keep these secret. Don't show them to everyone like I am here. I am showing them because I'm going to delete this anyway, so you're not going to see it. So you're going to copy the first one, like I am here. And you're going to put the first one in here, on the first one here. And then, you guessed it, you get the second one, and you paste it in a second one. But remove the space, because sometimes you might copy the space, just remove that. And now for this one, for the set access token, you're going to see that it's not here, so you're going to actually have to click create to get that to work. And you're going to have to copy that. Copy the first one and put it in the first one, like the pattern follows. Then we're going to open it up again, and then copy the second one now, and paste it in. And I think I missed the letter, didn't I? Yes, I did. And now that you have this, as soon as you click run on whatever Python software you're using, it will work. Okay, so now you don't know what Python software you're using. I forgot to mention at the beginning of the video, you can use idle. I'm probably gonna add this in at the beginning of the video. Let me just copy this code into here so I can show you what most of you will be using. Here, so you're gonna just paste that in, and then and then once you have that in, you're just gonna click F5, and then you're gonna save it somewhere. So I'm just gonna save it in a random folder because it's not important to me. And once I click save and it runs, as you can see now that it's finished running, let me just open up Twitter. If we actually go to my Twitter account, hello, this is a tweet from Python. Yes, indeed. And that is really how simple the tutorial is. That is really how easy it is to just tweet from your thing. And if we actually click on the tweet, it will say Twitter for Fortnite gamers. That's how easy it really is. And if there's stuff that you might want to do that I didn't use here, if you actually go to the developer homepage and you scroll down, there are example codes made by Twitter of things that you can do and cannot do, stuff like that. And there's also documentations. And if you want me to make another video on something similar to this, please leave a comment in the comment section down below, or maybe just leave a like to let me know you're enjoying these. But anyway, my name is Origi. I hope you like and enjoyed. Bye bye.